AI photo restoration can bring a faded family photo back to life in minutes, or quietly invent detail that was never there. Here's how to tell the difference. These tools are trained on millions of image pairs, and they do four jobs. They remove physical damage, in-painting over scratches, creases, and torn corners. They correct fading, pulling contrast and neutral tones back out of a yellowed print. They upscale and sharpen soft scans, and many colorize black and white shots by predicting likely colors. The first three work on detail that actually exists in the file, so they stay faithful. Colorizing and rebuilding torn areas are the AI's best guess. Useful, but a fabrication, not a recovery. Here's what most guides miss about AI photo restoration. Backgrounds are forgiving, faces are not. When damage crosses an eye or a mouth, the model rebuilds that feature from its training data, not from your ancestor, and it can quietly change who the person was. So, let AI clear the background and the fading freely, but judge every face at 100%, keep some grain, and always keep the untouched scan. If you want to go deeper on any of this, we'd love to see you at aiprophotography.com.